Hello everybody, Straydog Bill Arnold here. We're going to do another song for you today. And this is an original called Dreamin. And I wrote back in the 1970s. So here we go. 3, 4, wait, I got it. Here we go, 2, 3, 4. Dreaming about you, dreaming here without you, sleeping alone now. I'm just dreaming, baby, now that you've gone away. But I know that my dreams won't come true. But I don't know what else I can do. My friends say that you're with someone, and they tell me, baby, that you're having fun. I just close my eyes and I go to sleep, and I dream again, baby, that you're back with me. But I know that my dreams won't come true. But I don't know what else I can do. Little guitar. I'm dreaming now, baby. I'm just dreaming. Yeah. Please, everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats. Let's get control, complete control of conception in the dog and cat world. Not let any be conceived that we can't guarantee will take care of every single puppy and every single kitten in the litters that are conceived. And we can do that if we can get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world. So please share this video with others to try to get more and more people on board. Subscribe to the channel because that helps with the algorithms and all that stuff, whatever that is. And also adopt from an animal shelter to try to save as many of these precious lives. 2,000 a day were killed in 2024. And back in the past, it was far, far, far worse. Back in 1970, it was 41,000 per day were killed in the shelters. terrible tragedy.
Just because there's no room.
Because they run out of space and there's nothing else they can do, and they have to just start killing them, euthanizing them, which is a...
That's not a good way to solve the problem.
So we got to stop conception, and that's done through spay and neuter.
And
so
there's
please,
low-cost clinics too, so you can get some help. Just Google low-cost spay and neuter clinics.
Right. And also, please check out Straydog.org, No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary, that I co-founded back with Aaron's mom back in 1994. We started the shelter, and we're still going strong today at 2026 at Straydog, and now led by my second wife, Juana Vasquez Arnold, who is doing a wonderful job running the shelter and
great caregivers.
Oh yeah,
The dogs have a wonderful life.
They're doing a great job at Straydog, and so please, everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats, and we'll be back tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Aaron.